Take off your garlands. Ang mga garlands yun. Prepare. Associated Shipboard Services. Attention. Prepare your garlands. Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. Please stand up.
Kinuha namin ito kahapon lang sa inyo.
Biara na ito.
O, totoo. Ay, day.
Okay, kaaway siya ha.
Dugayan kami ito ha. Ulat ka.
Prepare your garlands.
Iyog na lang siguro.
Oo, giniyog yan na lang.
Nagagtutok ko sa makuraan na yun.
Phones, please. Mag-count ako 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanan ka mo selfie. Ako nang tsura nyo subong kay tapos na ang graduation. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a selfie. Say congratulations to all of you. Okay. Okay.